I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and you're watching video number 12 in our series called Steal This Look. Steal This Look is a series that allows you not only to learn how to make something, but how to sell it. We give you photography and downloads that you can steal to market to your customers. All you need to do is look for the link in the description to get our full guide, which has 21 looks that you can steal and start selling today. Now this is the third project in our series on safety. We've set up an outfit that's particularly for food delivery or grocery delivery, which is one of the fastest growing verticals that we've seen in 2020 moving into 2021. Now we're going to talk about other identification that customer may need. And I love this one because wall graphics are something that's needed in a physical space in a grocery store. So we have this face mask required wall graphic that we're going to show you how to apply today. And also we'll talk about how to order this. Additionally, there are floor graphics as well to have social distancing and spacing or any other custom messaging that you would want on a grocery store floor. So we'll show you how to do these two projects, and we'll give you the images that you can download by clicking the link below. Let's head over to the wall and get started applying this. Now you can upload your artwork to Stahls.com and be able to create any custom design you want for a wall graphic. It's all priced per square inch, so it'll give you the price live online, and then you can order as many as you want to do these branding locations. It comes to you just like this. It has a backing on it as well as a mask, and I'm going to peel back the mask to reveal my design. Now, depending on the size of your graphic, you may want to use a squeegee and gradually remove the backing. Because this is fairly small in the grand scheme of things, I feel pretty confident in being able to just fold it slightly, bend it, and position it onto the wall. Think about the height that you're going to place this at as well. I like it eye level for somebody that's around 5'6" to 6 foot. And so we're going to go ahead and position it there to make sure everybody sees it. We want to make sure it's straight, so I'm just going to step in front of it. We'll position it into place and we'll make contact here. Then I'm going to grab my squeegee, just as I'm holding off the edge, and I'm going to roll this out, and then I'm going to gradually just squeegee it from the center out to make good contact to the wall. The squeegees are available from Stahls.com as well. Make sure I have good contact in that location, and then I'll work out this side in the same manner. First making contact with the wall, and then using the squeegee to make good contact throughout the design. So take a couple seconds, clean it up, make sure there's no air bubbles, and then it's really simple. You just grab the corner of the mask and you remove it from the backing, corner to corner, and it reveals your completed wall graphic. Now let's take a look at the floor graphic, which works similarly. Now we're prepared to install the floor graphic in a similar way. Make sure you have a clean surface on the floor, obviously, before you're installing these. That's really important. And make sure you measure out all your locations that you want to position these if they need to be evenly spaced for the job. I'm just going to peel this back in the same way, and I'm going to bend it at the center and make contact with the floor where I want to position it, and then gently roll it out. Grab my squeegee, make contact again with this half of the graphic, making sure there are no air bubbles, and then repeat the step for the other side. Very quick, very easy to execute, easily removed from the floor and changed as well. So very quick, very simple, easy to execute. For this one, you don't even need a heat press. But I'd like to encourage you to download all of these looks and market them together. As a complete solutions provider, we've shown you that you can do full color logos, floor decals, wall graphics, and even high visibility apparel to this fast growing market. Click the link in the description and get started today.